If you hear the name Turkey, the first thing that comes to your mind is likely the Turkish government that we know. However, there are other Turkish people who are a very large nation. What lies between them is one language that they speak, even though they have a different accents. Let's learn something today about the Turkish people. There are 7 states called the Turkish states. Of those 7 states, 6 are independent and sovereign states, while the remaining one is not independent. So, if we look at the 6 independent states together, the first one is the state of Turk, which we all know, the state of Turkmenistan, the state of Kazakhstan, the state of Azerbaijan, the state of Kyrgyzstan, and the state of Uzbekistan. These 6 states are the independent states of the Turkish people. There also exists a 7th state that is said to be the original homeland of the Turkish people, the place they originate from, but it is not independent and is held under the control of another state. The Turkish people living there are in a difficult and oppressive colonial situation. It is the state of East Turkestan, which is under the control of the Chinese ruler since 1760. Although during certain periods East Turkestan experienced freedom and independence after the Turkestani's people carried out uprising and struggle to gain their freedom. The Organization of Turkish States (OTS). In 2006, the former president of Kazakhstan, Nur Sultan Nazarbayev, put forward the idea of establishing the Organization of Turkish States in order to unite the Turkish people, and the union was officially founded in 2009. However, not all those states were part of the union from its early beginning. Only 4 states initially founded that union: Azerbaijan, Turkey, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. The remaining 3, which are Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, which has not yet joined the union but is expected to join soon, and East Turkestan, whose situation is very fragile because it is not a fully sovereign state and is under Chinese government. When the union was founded, 3 cities were designated as its official headquarters. These are the city of Istanbul in Turkey, the city of Astana, the capital city of Kazakhstan, and the city of Baku, the capital city of Azerbaijan. The Turkish people who speak the Turkish language are estimated to number between 150 million to 200 million. So, aside from the 7 governments I mentioned earlier, there are also other Turkish people living in other places such as in Iraq, northern Russia, Ukraine, western Iran, and along the coast of the Black Sea. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.